Good evening, Sam sir. This is Jeyapriya from the Department of English and Foreign Languages. I just wanted to give my feedback on today's session. You were fantastic and engaging. You connected with each one of us in the room personally and professionally. You actually generated the emotions and the image we were looking for to motivate and align ourselves in the right path. I just wanted to let you know that we had an awesome day with you. Your incredible energy was infectious and really got us on the right track. I cannot tell you how many of our faculty members have told me that they loved your attitude and that it was right on target for what we are focusing today. Thank you very much for coming and being with us this day. Keep motivating us in the same way. Thank you.